In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Monday.com to Excel. Excel is a powerful tool for analyzing data, and pairing it with Monday.com can streamline your workflow processes significantly. So let's dive into how you can export information from a Monday.com board directly into an Excel spreadsheet with ease. First, you'll need to navigate to the board in Monday.com that you want to export. Start by opening your Monday.com dashboard and finding the board that contains the data you wish to transfer. It's usually just a click or two away on your navigation panel. Once you're there, take a moment to review the data to ensure everything is updated and ready for export. Attention to detail here will save you from exporting unnecessary data or outdated information. Next, direct your attention to the right-hand side of your screen. You'll notice three small dots, typically known as the More Options menu, nestled in the top corner. This icon houses additional actions you can perform within your board, so go ahead and give it a click. Once you do, a drop-down menu will appear, revealing a variety of options. From this list, you'll want to select More Actions. This step is crucial as it opens up further export functionalities. It's always nice to know where these hidden gems are because Monday.com boasts a host of features that can be easily overlooked. After clicking on More Actions, the next step is to click on Export Board to Excel. Selecting this option is straightforward. You're telling Monday.com that you'd like to grab an Excel-compatible version of your board. However, don't worry about losing any data in Monday.com. Exporting simply creates a copy